checkboxes, I think. Then I will discuss about the radio buttons. Right. Anyway, I am planning to discuss. I am planning to finish the discussion of the string as well as the platform independent programming section today itself. After that, there are little topics remaining. I think I am planning to give you that as an assignment, right? Little bit things means anyway there will be some swing controls. You can refer to the internet and you will be able to do those things, right? The mandatory requirements with the today's discussion I'll be able to finished, right? Mandatory requirements I will fulfill. Then hope you will be able to continue with that in your own, because rest of the things are up to you, right? Anyway, then I will start the NetBeans. Right, we have to continue with the discussion of the swing. Therefore, I will create a new project, file, new project. Then select Java application, click next. Project name. Project name, I will give it as PRJ. Today's date is 16th 8 2021. Right, then deselect this create main class, click finish. Then I have added the project 15/8/2021. Then I am going to add a form for this project. I click, select new, then select JFrame form. Right, then give the class name. I'll say class name as swing 2. Then it will be saved under this project and click finish. Right, then it will load this JFrame form as well as the rest of the swing containers, rest of the palette will be open. Then we will start creating the radio buttons. Hope you know about the radio button. Not only in NetBeans, in other programming languages as well as in HTML and scripting languages. Everywhere you can find this control. Usually, radio buttons are used to select only one option from the available ones. When we use the checkboxes, it allows multiple selections, but when it comes to the radio buttons, radio button allows only one selection. Right? That is the main difference between radio buttons and the checkboxes. As the first task, I will drag and place a panel on the form. Panel control is there under swing containers. This is the panel container. Right, I will drag a panel here and place it on the form. Then I can adjust its size. Then I will drag a radio button. Radio button is available under here. No. Radio button. Here you can see the radio button. It's on the left hand side. Then click and drag onto the panel. Right. I will modify its text. And this application is about a selection of a payment method. Therefore, I will use credit card. Then I will drag another radio button onto the form. This button's text will be debit card. Third button is for PayPal. Sorry, PayPal. Then I can align these three controls. While pressing the shift key, you can select all the controls. Then right click, align. Then we can say left to column. Then you can align all the controls to the left side. Right? Then click save and I will run the form. I will stop sharing this. Anyway, first of all, I will run this. I think you can see this, right? Now, according to the default arrangement, you can select multiple radio buttons, right? But we have to stop this selection and it should allow only one selection, right? Then I will stop sharing the screen again. Then again, I'll share the NetBeans. Right, we have to create a button group to overcome these multiple selections. But then to create the button group, we'll go to the source window, source editor, then we will add the coding to create the button group. Right, just before this class declarations, I will add the button group, then say private void group button. And put some brackets. Then we will create an object from the button group. Actual button group is a class, right? Then we have created an object called as bg1 from that class. Then say bg1 dot right. Then to overcome this underlining, we will import the button group first. Then say import javax dot swing dot button group. Put the stem. Right? Then and it will give underlining only for this. See, this J should be a simple one. This J should be a simple one. Huh? J radio button 1. And say BG 1 dot and right. Then this coding has been entered. Then anyway, still some bit underlining is there. We will move on to this we have this init components. Public sim2 is there. Then I will add this group button. There's a little problem. Huh? I have to check it. Please give me few seconds where I have to check where I have gone wrong, right?
Recording stopped.